You trust a robot to clean your pet's hair. But what if it spreads something worse? I tested 15 robot vacuums with 2 shedding dogs, cat litter, and yes, an accidental poop disaster. Number 3 is a bestseller on Amazon, but wait until you see what happens when it finds a mess. And number 2? It locked me inside a bedroom. True story. All product links for your buy are in the description. Like, share, and subscribe, unless you want a brown Jackson Pollock on your carpet. Starting at number 1. iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. Best overall. The word used to describe the amount of dog hair picked up by the Roomba Combo 10 Max was swaths. Loads of dog fur was suctioned right up, and that alone made it feel well worth it to us. We also got a kick out of watching it work, and we noticed in particular that the edge-sweeping brush was effective at connecting with walls and furniture legs to grab fuzz. And of course, the overall convenience of the self-emptying and self-cleaning mechanisms made it a cinch to maintain, too. Its prowess was also equally effective across different floor types, including rugs of different lengths, laminate flooring, kitchen tile, and even a textured stone foyer. The mop feature works well too, and we were especially pleased with how well it transitioned between floor types. It would always recognize when it moved to a rug, and we never noticed extra water or dampness on any of the textiles. Like most newer robot vacuum models, you can expect a robust app experience to program and manage your machine. In the case of this Roomba, you can check the health of your mop pads, set schedules, cue it to clean, and even see pictures of obstacles it encounters, taken by the on-machine camera, which helps steer it around your home. We were pleased with the mapping and navigation, and also how many functions we could use the maps within the app. As far as any downsides with this machine, they were few and far between. The only slight hiccups we encountered were a wish that the noise level was quieter, and the reality of having to check the roller weekly for hair getting wound on it. Number 2. Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Runner-up. We found the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot to be an impressive vacuum and mop combo machine that has enough bells and whistles to make your life easier, while not being over the top with unnecessary extras that inflate the price. Like with our best overall pick, we want to shout out its self-emptying and mapping abilities. These two functions really make Robot feel like a game changer in your cleaning routine. The Shark Matrix Plus also serves as a robot mop, with a small water dispenser designed inside the vacuum and a corresponding mop pad that cleans and scrubs when this setting is in use. Now, as wonderful as it is to have a machine mop your floors for you, know that the mop setting does affect this robot's ability to self-empty into its charging stand, so you'll need to stay on top of that. Number 3. Roborock Saros 10R. Best low maintenance. Chasing after pet hair is hard enough, which is why we like how almost effortless the Roborock Saros 10R robot vacuum makes cleaning it up. This vacuum impressed us in testing with its powerful suction, making quick work of all types of messes, including dog hair. Thanks to its Hyperforce system, it eliminates dirt quickly and thoroughly. Beyond its cleaning capabilities, we're also big fans of how smart and feature-filled this robot vacuum is. We love the easy-to-use app, which makes initial mapping, creating no-go zones, maintenance, and scheduling a breeze. The functions, like scheduling, are reliable and give us no problems during testing. Plus, its slim design allows it to reach into the places pet hair likes to collect, including underneath furniture and in tight corners. Overall, the design of the Roborock Saros 10R makes it wonderfully low maintenance. You can let this vacuum run hands-free, and forget about emptying the dock for quite a long time before you need to intervene. We love that we can essentially forget about it until it needs our attention, which makes tackling those never-ending pet hair tumbleweeds almost effortless. Number 4. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus Robot Vacuum. Best vacuum only. Yes, you can still find robot vacuums that don't have built-in mops, and Roomba J7 Plus is an excellent example. It's just as technologically slick as other options, but the sum total of its awesomeness isn't divided between both a vacuum and a mop. It's all vacuum, from well-known brand Roomba, at that. In practice, that means great suction power on carpet and hard flooring, reliable mapping, and an intuitive app where you manage it all. We didn't really find a difference in its effectiveness based on the flooring type, whether it was on a hard surface or a rug. It zapped up pet hair and other dirt well. Its side-sweeping brush, in particular, does a nice job clearing fuzz from baseboards and other edges. It's subtle and quiet in its operation, too, so if your pets are sensitive to noise, it's unlikely to bother them too much. The one exception to this rule is when it self-empties into the charging base. That mechanism is louder than its standard operation. Number 5. Narwal Freo X Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Best features. The Narwal Freo X is the machine for you if you want lots of bells and whistles on your robot vacuum and mop. Along with impressive mopping and vacuuming capabilities that rival our other favorites, this option has auto-washing and drying, so you have help maintaining the components that perform those duties. Notably, one member of our testing team said that they love literally everything about it, which is very high praise for our discerning testers. We challenged this vacuum to household stains and messes including dog food, crumbs, coffee grounds, wine, and even a smashed blueberry. We had to help to get the last of the blueberry stain, but we were still overall pleased. It otherwise sailed through every issue, leaving floors looking noticeably better than when we started. The winner? Number 1 Dodge Dog Toys, climbed over a rug fringe, and picked up 3 days of shedding without tangling. Links below. But here's the nightmare, number 3 had no obstacle detection. You already know what that means. Don't learn the hard way. Comment your worst robot vacuum fail. And before your pet sheds again, hit like and subscribe. Next week I'm testing self-emptying bases that actually empty. One of them explodes.